Hi, for you to quickly set up VoiceMe, we prepared this quick start video. We suggest you take a few minutes to acquaint yourself with its unique design. Please prepare the necessary items in advance. First, gather the remote controls that you'd like to integrate into VoiceMe. Second, list the keywords for your own user buttons and the creative commands along with IR signal sequence beforehand. We suggest you write them down on the included command list. Third, plug in the power adapter or insert 4 AA batteries. If powered by batteries, please turn on the battery power switch. Have you got everything ready? Let's start.
Please select a function. Power saving. Train command. Train command. Please name command 1.
Air conditioner.
Please repeat.
Air conditioner.
Copy signal. Action completed. Please name command 2.
HBO.
Please repeat.
HBO.
Copy signal. Action completed. Train keyword. Train keyword. Please name a keyword.
Housekeeper.
Please repeat.
Housekeeper.
Action completed. Command review. Command review. Announcing all trained commands. Press the button when you hear the one to be erased.
Air conditioner. HBO. Play the music.
Action completed. Erase command. Erase command. Please say the command to be erased.
Play the music.
Erase command.
Play the music.
Press the button again to confirm. Erased. Copy mute signal. Copy mute signal. Copy mute signal 1. Please try again. Action completed. Select keyword response. Select keyword response. Announcing all keyword responses. Press the button to select a response. Yes, sir? Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss. Say your command. What can I do for you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Selected. Copy volume signal. Copy volume signal. Copy volume up. Copy volume down. Action completed. Copy channel signal. Copy channel signal. Copy channel up. Copy channel down. Action completed. Erase mute signal. Erase mute signal. Press the button again to confirm. Erased. Erase all. Erase all. Press the button again to confirm. Erased.
Let's take a look at the practical operation. Housekeeper.
How can I help you?
HBO. HBO. VoiceMe, operating your home appliances for you to experience a new digital life. Free your life.